Are you feeling overwhelmed by the rapid pace of technological change? It seems everywhere you turn, AI is making headlines for replacing jobs. You've worked hard, studied even harder, and yet the job market feels like a battleground where the odds are stacked inert. The truth is, companies are slashing costs. AI is stepping into roles once reserved for humans, and competition is fiercer than ever. A degree no longer guarantees the success it once promised. The world is changing fast, and those who don't adapt risk being left behind. But here's the silver lining in the storm clouds. While some are grappling with these changes, others are seizing new opportunities. They're earning BNB, the cryptocurrency that's becoming the beacon of hope in these uncertain times. Picture this, over a continuously, every minute, every second. And the best part? You don't need prior experience, just the right system and a supportive community. Cryptocurrency doesn't care about your resume or your diploma. It doesn't demand a boss, a 9-to-5 grind, or endless interviews. You can earn on your own terms, letting automation do the heavy lifting. This isn't about gambling or risky trading. It's a proven system where each small transaction accumulates, turning mere drops into a downpour of income. So, are you ready to stop waiting for a job and start earning daily? Comment "I'm ready for BNB" below and join countless others who are transforming their financial future. Embrace this change. Let BNB be your gateway to financial independence. The time to act is now.